Before we came here to Phoenix, Julian was very unsure of who he was, what he was going to do with his life, very depressed.
Before coming to Vita, I was really fed up with all the teachers and all the work.
Danny was suffering from just from school being too much for him.
Life was not like all that great. It was like not a lot of learning, more like just sitting there and existing in the school more than anything.
It was long and boring, and you didn't really, it was very anti-productive.
You guys came knocking at our door, sold me a hello, just from coming from door to door.
Oh, since coming to Vita, oh my God, he's been, oh my God, a different boy. Like, he's so happy. He was so excited. Like, he told me, Mom, there's gonna be a new school and it's gonna be so cool and innovative. And I'm like, okay.
Now I've come to Vita, I actually have a mission and a goal and a purpose here with you guys.
I don't know what you guys have talked to him about, but it has made him change drastically. I'm super proud of him.
I think I'm really doing well. I've never reached this point mostly because a lot of teachers before wouldn't help me out as much as the teachers here do.
And coming here changed like my academic life. Now I'm catching up on my schoolwork.
It's been going great. Danny has improved in his social skills. He's actually improved to help him at work. He's better at his hobbies, things that he wants to do in life.
Definitely been introduced to my passion for photography. The first time I saw my photography was at one of our student exhibitions.
I've noticed a big change with Ren. She wants to come to school. She wants to make sure she finishes her work.
But since coming to the school, he's done like a 180, I swear. It's been so crazy. I just can't even believe that this is the same kid we brought from North Dakota.
I definitely feel like I've improved the most this year in basic life skills and social interaction, just really taking a better step in my career.
The difference here at Vita than my old school is we have a lot more freedom, like personal freedom. We could go at our own pace.
The passion project is what really sold me to Vita.
Vita supports students in outside of academics is their purpose and defining their purpose, helping them understand what is it that makes them tick, what is it that helps them get up in the morning, and more importantly than all those things, what will lead them to a future of a happy life.
Kind of fell in love with the concept. Knowing who the teachers are personally, knowing some of the other students, knowing some of the other parents on a more personal basis makes it feel more comfortable that our kids are happy and in an environment that makes it really nice to be in.
What I like about Vita is that it takes things from other schools and pretty much puts it in one school.
At Vita, you get a lot more work time and can actually get ahead. Working hard enough, you can graduate very early with college credit.
We have these coaching sessions where we talk about like our academics and our goals. Oh, and next year they're having me do college classes like brief calc and English 101 to get me ahead for college.
You guys are teaching them things that normal high schools don't.
One good thing that Vita does that I don't see in regular high schools is that they stress a lot about worrying about your mental health. It helps us address the problem and it helps us make sure that they're succeeding.
You're preparing them for adult life, and I like it, and it's like giving them a head start that we never had.
At Vita, they want to understand how to make the best version of you.
Yeah, the teachers, like the teachers are cool, like they're super nice and supportive.
We're very community oriented, and you learn more than you would than just academics in a normal high school. I think that's one of the greatest benefits of this micro school.
They're not just learning how to do subjects, they're having fun with it.
You guys are big on the students being students, but also having the opportunity to be people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, your word is so perfect.
I'm really proud that all of our students that come here reported on a survey that Vita felt like it was actually helping them achieve their dreams. And that's what we're here to do.
Students are happy and they want to be back in school again, and that makes me happy for our society, that education's moving forward in an innovative way. And so this year I truly feel from the beginning of the year to now, we've really made differences in kids' lives.
I think I wouldn't be where I am right now without the teachers' help and without the school mostly.
I just look forward to Ren excelling, and I've seen a big change.
I'd recommend Vita to any students struggling in modern day high school to pursue a more lively education and their dreams.
I mean, I'd rather him be here than just settling for second best. You know, this is first best in my hands.
Families looking to come to Vita should definitely give it a go because I know that my family wouldn't have it any other way.
Just come over, try it out. You won't regret it.
We're like a family and it's really dope and I like it and y'all are cool, I guess. Okay. Aww.